to Stoke Mandeville Station, Chiltern Railways. I'm back again. Not uploaded for a little while. Just thought I'd kick it off with a little bit of Chiltern Rail. But yes, the station's very nice. It's a permit to travel machine here. I'll take a closer look at it in a minute. Once again, I don't have any change on me. How annoying is that? Yes, this station is step 3. That point there's very, very old. And there's a, this is the step 3 entrance. So I'll take a look at in a mo. These platforms are quite nice on the Chiltern. They all have this nice pattern on them. Well, most of them anyway. But yeah. Take you over the bridge. Here's a view of the station from the footbridge. This bridge is very nice, I must say. You don't get many bridges like this anymore. Yes. Here's the London bound platform. Furniture travel machine does not work anymore. It's a shame. It's switched off. But yeah, it's great to see furniture travel machine still in operation. Waiting room in there. And the ticket office, I believe.
This station is a most
which is in fact open.
This includes the use of e-cigarettes.
Dot matrix displays here.
Cigarettes immediately. Thank you.
Yeah. There's also toileting facilities here. Whether they are open or not is probably a different story. But they are open, well, I shall be using those in a second. But yeah, I will keep you updated as the 66 going through in a minute, hopefully. So I shall see you then. I've now relieved myself. Not that you really need to know that information, but yeah. What was I doing? I was doing this. There's a potential cafe you can buy if you want to buy. There's a Network South East private sign there too, which is really quite cool. And there is the station car park for this station. There's a bike facility there. And the car park is massive. Imagine it's used a lot more when the businessmen are out and about in the depths of weekdays. But yeah, station forecourt looks really nice. Really nice. There's a ticket machine here. It's a Sips cash and card. It's quite cool. Move these screens as well, can't you? In case you're really short or perhaps in a wheelchair, etc. Which is really quite handy, isn't it? Yeah. There's an accessible toilet in the waiting room, and if you have an electric car, you can charge it here. No, you can't, but you could if it was working. So yeah, I'll see you when the 66 comes through. Thank you for watching. Garden there, statue, lion over there too. thank you very much for watching this video. It's Stoke Mandeville. Mandeville, not Vandeville. The train comes in now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up, like and subscribe as always. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now from me. Thank you for watching. I shall see you in the next video.
This train is for London Marylebone. The next station is Wendover.